Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about that how to sell electronic items online. So to better understand about it, we will read an article of how to sell electronics online on the website builderexpert.com. So we'll discuss that how can you sell it online on different platforms in my recommendation there is a garage where you can sell electronic items online. So let's go without wasting much more time. Let's go and read it out. How to sell electronics online. So whatever the reason, now might be the perfect time to set up an online electronics store, particularly when you consider that the consumer electronics industry is estimated to be worth $2.6 trillion by 2023 in the US alone. However, selling online isn't always straightforward, and you could find yourself struggling to know where to start. Some common questions we often get asked include: how do I source my electronics? How do I set up an online shop? How much do I sell them for? But worry not, we are here to help with our ultimate guide to selling electronics online. So, number one, source your electronics. Before you can start selling electronics online, you'll need to source them. There are a number of options to consider for this, each with its own negatives and positives, and each with its own suitability for individual goals and unique situation. Wholesale. An electronics wholesaler will probably be the first place you'll consider looking when trying to source products for your business. This is how most online and local electronics stores obtain their products. Wholesalers will usually offer relatively competitive rates on new electronics. They are also likely to carry a good level of stock so you can get the products you need when you need them. Some wholesalers may have minimum orders, so it's important to understand where you'll store your electronics before you sell them. Drop shipping. If you don't want to invest time or money into sourcing products and storing them, drop shipping can be a great option. When you use drop shipping, your main focus is to market and sell as many products as possible. Once an order comes in, it then goes to another business, often directly to the supplier itself. That fulfills the order. This limits the need for storage and eradicates the need to deal with the often complex arrangements of shipping and distribution companies. Of course, with less effort come less profit. When you use a dropshipping company, it can be significantly more difficult to make a reasonable profit on each product you sell. That's why it's best to focus on volume when using a dropshipping arrangement. Secondhand. Selling secondhand electronics can be an exciting business to get it into. However, it can also take a considerable amount more time than buying from a wholesaler or dropshipping electronic product. You're also faced with uncertainty over future stock levels and may face issues with meeting customer demand accordingly. Yet, if you manage to pull it off, sourcing and selling second-hand electronics can be very lucrative as well as being good for the environment. You can source second-hand electronics from particularly anywhere from yard sales to eBay and Facebook Marketplace to Amazon and also in the garage. Number two, where to sell your electronics online. Scratch the surface of the online electronics business and you'll find a lot of options to choose from when deciding where to sell. These span from more established methods such as starting your own e-commerce stores to selling on social and specialist trade-in sites. Let's explore some of these options in more detail. Online store. Arguably, the best way to sell electronics online is by creating your online store. When you do this, you create a real asset, not to mention one that you have a high level of control over. Using a market leading website builder such as Wix, Shopify, or Squarespace will give you all the tools you need to easily, quickly create a website that can be leveraged to grow your business. Although all types of online selling platforms have their benefits, it's owning your site that offers you the greatest scope to sell. Some benefits include simple to create a functional website that looks professional, easy to customize your store to fit your brand and meet your needs, predictable pricing that helps you easily understand your monthly costs, professional support, marketplaces, social media, trading, and etc. Showcase your electronics. When you sell online, it's really important that you showcase your product in a way that compels customers to buy. Although most online stores usually rely on just images and product descriptions, using videos can be a really good way of highlighting the key features of the electronics you are selling. Product images, product videos, product description, and that's it for the showcase your electronics. Number 4, determine a price for electronics. Number 5, package and ship your electronics. Number 6, invest in marketing. Uh, and the number 7, how to sell electronics online summary. So let's read out the summary. Selling electronics online certainly isn't easy. However, if you get it right, there are huge opportunities to generate profit and potentially even help the environment too. This guide has outlined every step you need to take to get going with selling electronics online. So that was the article about how to sell electronics online. I hope you found this video helpful. So that's it for the today's video. We will meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.